To add fingerprint into the Samsung A37 5G, you will have to open the settings. Now you will have to go below into the lock screen settings and go into the screen lock and biometrics. Input your screen lock, then go for fingerprints, click continue, and now we have to click register. And now as you can see, the sensor is located in the screen and we have to put our finger on this and release when you feel vibration and when this animation, this gray circle fulfill the green color. And we have to scan every part of our finger, so left part, right part, bottom, top, middle, every. And if you have a problem that you are just putting your finger and it's not gonna read out your fingertip, you can use a second finger. And it's really working. And now you'll be able to unlock your phone with your two fingers, which is really useful actually. So now we can add the another one if you want, or you can just click done and take a look right now. As you can see, we can just simply unlock with this one, but also we can unlock with this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.